Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to continue to solve past paper from EJU Mathematics 2018, first session, course 1, question from section 4. Basically, this is question number 6 or the last question from this past paper. If you want to watch the first 5 solution, you can check link on the description box below, or if you want to watch the solution from the other past paper for EJU preparation, you can check playlist on my channel. Before I start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you like this video. Okay, let's start to solve this question. In this question, we have triangle ABC, as you can see from this diagram. This is triangle ABC, where AB is equals to 4. I will write down the information first. AB is 4, and then AC is equals to 3. And then angle B here is equals to 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. D is the point on side BC. D is the point on side BC such that AC is equals to AD. That means AD is also 3. Let us consider the circumscribed circle O of triangle ACD. And then we have a circle where triangle ACD is inside that circle and all the vertex touch the circumference of the circle. Such this circle is called circumscribed circle. Since sine B is equals to blah blah blah, I already know B is 30 degree, and of course sine B is equals to sine 30 degree, then sine B is equals to half. I think all of you already know that sine 30 is equals to half, yeah? This is one thing that you should memorize when you learn about trigonometry. And then we have sine C is equals to blah blah blah. Now, I need to know sine of angle C. Angle C is here. Sine of angle C. To find sine of angle C, you can see from this triangle. I will draw a triangle here. As you can see from that triangle, and then by using sine rule, you can find sine C. If I applied sine rule on this blue triangle, then 3 over sine 30 is equals to 4 over sine C. So 3 over sine 30 is equals to 4 over sine C. Sine 30 is equals to half. 3 divided by half is equals to 6. So I got 6 equals to 4 over sine C. Therefore, sine C is equals to 4 over 6, which is 2 over 3. Wait a second. Sine C is equals to 4 over 6, which is 2 over 3. So my answer for letter A and B is 1 and 2. And then my answer for letter C and D is 2 over 3. Okay. And then hence the radius of circle O is equals to blah blah blah. Once we got sine C equals to 2 over 3, they ask to find the radius of the circumscribed circle. For this question, I think you need to know the formula. How to find the radius of a circumscribed circle? Radius of circumscribed circle is equals to, I remember the formula by using sine rule, yeah. If you remember the sine rule, we have A over sine A equals to B over sine B equals to C over sine C. This is my sine rule. And then this is equals to 2 times the radius of the circumscribed circle. Equals to 2 times the radius of the circumscribed circle. So, if you want to find the radius of the circumscribed circle, you can use sine rule. Of course, ABC and angle ABC here is the triangle inside the circle. In this case, A, C, and D. Yeah? So instead of B, I think I should use D. Because the triangle that is inside the circle is triangle ACD. So, if I want to find the radius, I need to see triangle ACD. I will adjust my triangle first, yeah. Instead of ABC, I need to focus on triangle ACD, as you can see here. And then by using this formula, C over sine C is equals to 2 times R. So I will get C. Now my C is 3, yeah, not 4. Because now we focus on triangle ACD. So the side that is opposite angle C is 3. 3 over sine C. 3 over sine C is equals to 2R. And then 3 over 2 over 3, sine C is equals to 2 over 3. 3 over 2 over 3 is equals to 2R. By solving this equation, you will obtain R is equals to 9 over 4. So my final answer for letter E and F is 9 and 4. This is my answer for the first question. And then for the second question, we have BC is equals to blah blah blah. So I need to know BC, and then BD is equals to blah blah blah. After I got BC, I need to find BD. To find BC, I think I need to adjust my triangle a little bit. If you focus on this triangle, so you draw a line from A perpendicular to DC. So this is the perpendicular angle. This is perpendicular. And then I will denote this point as, let's say, P. To find BC, first of all, I can find PC first. So I will find PC first. If you want to find PC by using this right angle triangle, and then you already know that sine C is equals to 2 over 3. So I can write down sine C is equals to, focus on triangle that I'm shaded here. Sine C is equals to opposite, which is AP, over hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is equals to 3. Sine C is equals to 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is equals to AP over 3. Therefore, AP is equals to 2. So AP here is equals to 2. Once you know AP, by using Pythagoras theorem, you can find PC. So PC is equals to, I think I will write down here, PC is equals to square root 3 square minus 2 square. 3 square is equals to 9, 2 square is equals to 4, therefore 9 minus 4 is equals to square root of 5. So I know that PC is equals to square root of 5. And then if you see from this triangle, you see from BPA, I think I will draw with another color for triangle BPA. As you can see here, from triangle BPA you can find BP. Since this is also 90 degree, and then angle B is 30 degree, by using cos 30, cosine 30 degree is equals to adjacent, the adjacent is BP, over hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is AB, which is 4. Cosine 30 is equals to half square root of 3 is equals to BP over 4. Therefore, BP is equals to 2 square root of 3. So, after you obtain BP and PC, that means BC is equals to BP plus PC. So BC is equals to BP plus PC. BP is equals to 2 root 3, PC is equals to root 5. So I got 2 square root of 3 plus square root of 5. This is BC. So G, H and I is 2, 3 and 5. And then BD is equals to blah blah blah. Now I need to know, or I need to find BD. Of course, BD is equals to BC minus CD. Since ACD is an isosceles triangle, so since PC is equals to square root of 5, then DP is also square root of 5. So to find BD, I can say that BD is equals to BP minus PD, or BC minus CD. You can use the one that you like, yeah. I will use BD is equals to BP minus PD, BP minus PD. BP is 2 square root of 3, PD is square root of 5. So I got 2 square root of 3 minus square root of 5. This is my answer for BD. So J is equals to 2, K is equals to 3, and L is equals to 5. This is my answer for BD. And then let us denote the intersection of side AB and the circle O by E. Intersection between AB and circle O by E. So the intersection here is E. I will denote it as E. I think I need to erase the triangle first, yeah? Oh, wait a minute. I think something like this. This point is E. They want us to find BE. We need to know BE. To find BE, I think it is easier if you know the second formula. So in a circle theorem, we have the theorem that is called second formula. Second formula. Second formula. Second is this line. So AB is called a second line. BC is also called a second line. So basically, second is a line that intersect a triangle at two different points. So AB and CB is called a second line. Second formula state that if you have two second line that is intersect at a point, in this case AB and CB intersect at point B. If you have two second lines that intersect at a point, then BE times BA is equals to BD times BC. This is the second formula. So if I want to know BE, by using second formula, I can say that BE times 4 is equals to BD times BC. BD times BC. So I will get 4BE is equals to BD times BC. We already know BD and we already know BC. If you observe these two expression is A minus B times A plus B. So BD times BC is equals to A square minus B square. I think I will write it down here, yeah. BD times BC is equals to 2 square root of 3 square minus square root of 5 square. Minus square root of 5 square, I am directly write down as 5. 2 square is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 minus 5 you got 7. So BD times BC is equals to 7. That means BE is equals to 7 over 4. This is the length of BE. So M is 7 and N is equals to 4. I think you need to know second formula. If we do not use second formula, then to find BE, I think it is quite difficult, because you need to derive the second formula first. Okay, last question. Hence, the relationship between the areas of triangle BDE, ADE, and ACD are blah blah blah. Now, we need to know the relationship between BDE and area ADE. Let's back to this triangle. I think I adjust my working a little bit, yeah. So I have more spaces. I think something like this. And then I need to erase this one. And then I will draw a line here. Okay, that's point B. Okay, now we have a clean diagram. Triangle BDE, if you see from this graph or this diagram, BDE is here. This is BDE. As you can see here, this is triangle BDE, and then the next triangle is ADE. ADE is this one, yeah? This one is ADE. Let me try to shade ADE with a different color. Okay, I think this is ADE. Okay. We need to know the ratio between area BDE and area ADE. If you see from this diagram, if you want to find the area of BDE, I can use the formula half times base times height, half times base times height. Since I do not know the height, I will assume the height is equals to, let's say, x. This is the height, x, yeah. So area of triangle BDE is half times base, the base is BD, times x. I will write down below here. Oops, sorry. Okay. So triangle BDE over area of triangle ADE is equals to, for BDE, half times base times height. I denote the height as x. Half times base times height. And then to find the area of ADE, this red triangle, you can find by using area of BDA minus area of BDE. So you calculate the total or the larger triangle here, subtract it by the triangle BDE. ABD over, I will write down area ABD minus area of BDE. Let me check from our diagram. ABD minus BDE, yeah, that's correct, yeah. To calculate the area of triangle ABD, which is this large triangle, you can use the formula half times base, I will assume the base is BD, times height. The height is AB. So if you have, or if you want to find the area of this triangle, obtuse triangle basically, we can use the formula half times base times height. This is the height of the triangle. So area of ABD is equals to half times BD times AB. So half times BD times x over half times BD times AB minus the area of triangle BDE, which is the same as the numerator. Half times BD times x. You can cancel out half BD, since half BD is on all the terms. So the ratio of area BDE over ADE is equals to x over AB. AB is equals to 2 AB over x, minus x, I mean 2 minus x. So x over 2 minus x. Of course, we can find the ratio of the area if we know the value of x. To find the value of x, I think You can find value of x by looking at this small right angle triangle. As you can see from this diagram, if you want to find x, you know this angle is 30, and then we already know BE. I can use sine 30. Sine 30 is equals to x over BE. Sine 30 is equals to half. My BE is 7 over 4. X over 7 over 4. If you cross multiply it, you will get x is equals to 7 over 8. So the height of this triangle, EBD, yeah, or BDE is 7 over 8. That means my final answer is 7 over 8 over 2 minus 7 over 8. Then I will get 7 over 8 over 16 minus 7. I got 9 over 8. So my final answer is 7 over 9. So O is 7 and P is equals to 9. For my last question, we need to know the ratio of triangle BDE over ACD. BDE is this small triangle over the triangle ACD. Basically the white triangle here. The ratio of triangle BDE over area of triangle ACD is equals to, of course, if I want to find the area of triangle BDE, I can use the same formula as earlier. So half times BD times X over the area of triangle ACD. If you see from this diagram, ACD, basically the white triangle here, yeah. The area of this white triangle is equals to half times base times height. I already know the base, which is 2 square root of 5, and then I already know the height, which is 2. So for triangle ACD, I can simply write down half times base times height. First of all, I think I will cancel out half here. So the ratio is BD. If you remember, we already know BD. BD is 2 root 3 minus root 5. 2 square root of 3 minus square root of 5 times X. We also already know X, which is 7 over 8, yeah. Over 2 square root of 5 times 2. I got 4 square root of 5. I think I need to simplify this expression so that I got the final answer. To simplify this expression, since there is 7 over 8 here, so I will times both numerator and denominator by 8. So I will get 7 2 square root of 3 minus square root of 5 over 8 times 4, which is 32 square root of 5. So Q here is 7. JKL is 235, same as this. And then RS is 32. Finally, T is 5. Okay, that's it for this video. I really hope you can understand my explanation. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you once again, guys. Bye-bye.